방탄소년단이 진격해내면 어떨까?
Hello K-pop Demon Hunter fans, ARMYMOO here. For this video, we'll be reacting to K-pop Demon Hunter's What It Sounds Like official video clip. This is the song that HUNTRIX couldn't write. There's no lyric video out for this, there's no official video out for this, but this is going to be my reaction that was already filmed through K-pop Demon Hunter's movie. Be warned, there's going to be some major spoilers, and that is why they haven't uploaded it yet. But I will be giving you my reaction because I cried my eyes out. I feel like that's a part of the movie that is really impactful and important for the story. The HUNMOON has been sealed thanks to What It Sounds Like, a song that was improvised right on the spot by Rumi, Zoe, and Mira out of nowhere. And as we speak, Golden is #1 on US Spotify charts. It surpassed Your Idol by Saja Boys, and that's how it should be, because we need to seal that HUNMOON to Rainbow Golden. Stan HUNTRIX! HUNTRIX forever! And Saja Boys too if you want to. My reaction is already out there. Here it is! Okay, I need to know. What's next? What's next? It's Rumi, right? Rumi makes an entrance. She has to! Whoa! Whoa!
So we
Don't
can make a
admit
new
it.
one.
Make a new one?
Nothing but the truth now.
Yes! What it sounds like!
Nothing but the proof of what I am.
I knew this would be the closing
Words of what I
song.
came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand.
I tried to fix it. I tried to fight it.
My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided. I don't know why I did.
See, now they're realizing it.
Be on my side.
Snap out of it, girls. Come on, HUNTRIX, come together, fight back!
Pieces,
And I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Come on! Yeah! Zoe! Inside her head, I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. Did she just come up with this on the spot? Now that's talent! This is the song for you! You're not alone. Yeah! Demon, let him get between us. We're out here on our own. Yeah! Woo! Give them their souls back! The survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. And I'm tired, I'm in the fire. I'll be right here by your side. Oh, they're hugging each other! Yes! Yes!
We broke
Into a million pieces and we can't go back. The beauty in the broken glass, the stars are part of me. Oh, it's so true! It is a part of her, but now she can be herself. And now they know that she is a demon and they're gonna accept her. Let's just meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. Listen and define. This is what it sounds like. Yeah! Get rid of those demons! Take them down! Woo! Wait, so does this mean that the Saja Boys are disbanding?
Your voices cannot defeat.
Oh! Woo! Oh Rumi, you are so powerful! Oh my god. You can do it, Rumi! You can do it! Wait! Wait! No! 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 This is where Jinoo comes in.
Jinoo, no.
He sacrificed himself
sorry.
to save Rumi.
For everything.
No, I wanted to set you free.
You did. You gave me my soul back.
You gave me my soul back? No.
I give it to you.
He gave his soul to Rumi! No! I don't want Jinoo to die! There's no way! Whoa! Power up! Goodbye, Saja Boys! Oh wow! Slice its face! No more abs! She sliced the abs! In the broken glass, the scars are part of me. Darkness and harmony. What? The Saja Boys are gone now! Over all the colors stuck inside our head. Yes, all of the souls! Suddenly. That is true friendship right there. Or soulmates. Yeah, HUNTRIX are soulmates. This is what it sounds like. After all this time, all this all combined. This is what it sounds like. Wow, this is so stunning! Wow. HUNTRIX forever!
I love my girls.
Same, I love them. There we go! HUNTRIX saved the day from the Saja Boys.